So just to demonstrate how we can enforce parameters using ES6, first of all I'm going to create a function, and we're only going to be running this later on if we accidentally miss out a parameter in another function. So let's just call this required, and in this case let's return uh-oh, because it's not good. And now let's create our main function to demonstrate this. And we're going to say that this function, when you call it, you need a parameter called required parameter. And we could just leave it there, but what we're going to do is say equals required. And basically this part here is only going to be evaluated. So it's only going to run required if required parameter has been left out and it's not supplied in the call to main. So let's say here we're going to return whatever required parameter was passed through. And just to demonstrate this working, let's first of all just use console log and say main, and we're going to pass through something, which is fine. And if we run this, you can see here that we've got a console log of something coming out. And that's what we passed through here, as you'd expect. And that's because required parameter is just taken through, it jumps to here, then it's returned and it comes through the console log. Then of course, if we leave this out entirely and we run this, we get uh-oh instead, because this was empty, so instead this was evaluated, which has returned uh-oh. So, you know, typically to make some use out of this, you may want to do something like throw new error. This function requires a parameter. And if we run that, you know, you could get something like that. So that's the use for it really, but I just wanted to show that. Thanks for watching.